Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Telegram group secure by deleting a revoked invite link using Telegram Web on your PC, this guide is for you. With Telegram's new update, managing your group's invite links is easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening Telegram Web in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, head to the group where you're an admin. You'll find your groups listed on the left. Just click on the one you want to manage. At the top right corner of your group chat, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open the menu, then select Edit. This will take you to the group's settings page, where you can make various changes. Next, look for the section labeled Invite Links. Click on it to view all the invite links associated with your group. Here you'll see both active and revoked links. A revoked link is one that's already been disabled, meaning no one can use it to join your group anymore. To delete a revoked link, find the link you want to remove. Next to it, you'll see another set of 3 dots. Click on these dots to open the options for that specific link. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the revoked link. This is your chance to double-check that you're removing the correct link. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And that's it. The revoked link will be permanently removed from your group's invite list, ensuring it's no longer visible or accessible to anyone. This is a great way to keep your group tidy and secure, especially if you've had to revoke multiple links in the past. Thanks for following along. Keeping your group's invite links up to date helps you control who can join and keeps your community safe. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for managing your Telegram groups.